Welcome to Kalabira Broadcasting and Tamil Chandai. We upgraded our intraday courses. So here I am going to show you purely based on astrology how to find out which stock we're going to bullish and bearish on the particular day that we can identify. After that, we are trying to catch which time market might go bullish. So these are as per my experiment. This astrology tool is working very well. Okay, so I'm not saying about this is only the tool, but based on this information, if it trade, definitely we can find out some good move. We can capture the good move. I will tell you what are the informations are there in my. So as usual, see here, just like my almanac book, informations are there. So one thing everyone should understand, this is the live astro chart. So lively current time. Look at 5:42, 14 seconds, 15 seconds. So time is running. As per the time, Lagna moving, ascendant is there, moon is there, everything is moving. 22.07, 08, 08. So live astro timing as per Mumbai time. Okay. So here some aspects are given. After that, each planet in which Rasi, which nakshatra, what is the nakshatra lord, what is the sub lord, what is the sub shab lord, and what is the tendency of the planet, it is in which nakshatra, and after that, habit of the planet, what is the relation between the planet and their nakshatra lord. So like that, informations are here. So outside this box, Navamsa is provided. So this is one astro page. After that, here, 1 minute. So this page, based on this, we came to know two things. One is which are the stocks are bullish today, bearish today. That we can most probably, I can say more than 75% we can able to find out. That is the first thing. Based on this, second thing, which are the sectors will move. That means particular stocks also we can with this. So for example, pharma stocks whether bullish or bearish, metal stocks bullish or bearish, banking stocks bullish or bearish. That we can find out. Second, particular sector how long it will be bullish or any negativities are there. Based on this chart, we can able to identify. So this is also live time, lively market is lively astro timings provided here. So live bar chart like that. After that, next one is moon and lagna for intraday. So now look, each and every minute I given a moon is in which degree, which star and sublord, subsub. And as usual, lagna is in which rasi, which star, which sublord, which subsublord. So what is the connectivity between the moon and lagna? How we consider this for intraday? Suppose if you go to here Libra, that is sign is changing. So when sign change means what could be the reaction? Sub is changing. What could be the reaction? So based on that we can identify the intraday movement. So intraday sublord nakshatra also, that is lagna nakshatra is changing. So based on this, how to identify the market movement? Suppose these are the things I updated here. Even more here you look aspect with lagna. Aspect with lagna. So here running lagna. What is the lagna is running? So this lagna aspecting with any other planet, that aspecting things I provided here. So this is also very important when running market. in Lagna, if it cross any planet or conjunction, opposition, 45 degree, 90 degree, like that also we should take an safety precaution, whether market on that time market might be bullish or bearish, that we can find out. So this is a new, purely it is for intraday. So based on that, we are going to do only intraday things. So interested, just to contact us, just register in my website. Thank you. If you have any more doubts, come to our WhatsApp, and also follow my Telegram channel WDGAN81. So all updation will come in that Telegram channel. So this, again I am saying, this software, this Astro software based on Mumbai time. So our stock market is working in Mumbai head. So we fixed that time, everything. It is only for Indian market. Okay. Thank you.